Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of computing and exploring the differences between classical and quantum computing. Get ready to have your mind blown. Computing has come a long way since the first computer was invented in the 1940s. We've seen incredible advancements in technology, but perhaps none more exciting than the development of quantum computing. So, what exactly is the difference between classical computing and quantum computing? Classical computing, also known as traditional computing, uses bits to process and store information. Bits can only represent two states, 0 or 1, which limits the complexity of problems that can be solved. On the other hand, quantum computing uses qubits, which can represent multiple states simultaneously. This allows for much more complex calculations and problem-solving capabilities. One key insight to keep in mind is that classical computing is sequential, meaning it solves problems one step at a time. Quantum computing, on the other hand, is parallel, meaning it can solve multiple problems at once. This makes quantum computing incredibly powerful and has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach complex problems in fields such as finance, healthcare, and even artificial intelligence. Imagine being able to solve complex mathematical equations in a fraction of the time it takes with classical computing. This is the power of quantum computing. It has the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable with traditional computing methods. But that's not to say classical computing is becoming obsolete. In fact, it's still the dominant form of computing that we use today. Its reliability and accuracy make it perfect for everyday tasks like email, browsing the web, and creating documents. However, as technology continues to advance, the limitations of classical computing are becoming more apparent. This is where quantum computing steps in to take us to the next level. So, what does this mean for you as a tech-savvy individual? It's important to stay informed and keep up with the latest advancements in computing. Quantum computing is still in its early stages and has a long way to go before it becomes mainstream. But by understanding the potential of this technology, you can stay ahead of the curve and be prepared for the future. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you're interested in learning more about quantum computing or other cutting-edge technologies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tech training session.